David said, what have I now done? Is there not a cause? Never forget it. Anytime there is a cause, there must be an anointing. Open my eyes to see the cause. David said, is there not a cause? Is there not a cause? People are dying. Is that not a cause? There are many sick and doctors, medicine cannot help them. Is there not a cause? Many are blind, their eyes need to open. Is there not a cause? Many are living in confusion. Is there not a cause? Many are in the alcoholic joints, drinking their way to destruction. Is there not a cause? Many are lost in prostitution. Is there not a cause? Many are academically backward. They need anointed teachers who can fire their brain back. Is there not a cause? Many families are weeping because the children are wayward, because the children are evil. Is there not a cause? Many persons in our community are being buried before their time. Is there not a cause? There are many living in poverty, living very, very pitiable lives. Is there not a cause? There are many witches and wizards who are boasting that they are powerful because they have been killing and wasting lives. Is there not a cause? Is there not a cause? There are many campuses in the nation, and on all those campuses, profanity, immorality, have taken over. Cultism have taken over. Is there not a cause? There is a cause. The anointing must drop. There is a cause. The anointing must drop. The oil must flow because there is a cause.